Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Jide from Advantage Tutoring. Welcome to day 12 of SCT Math Prep. Today's question is testing your knowledge of exponents. Okay, so it says if x to the power of n is equal to this big thing, what is the value of n? Now this seems big, but don't worry. Using the exponents, we're going to break it down. All right. So let's start. X to the power of n equals square root of x. You can write it as x to the power of half. Okay. Then this I can write it as x to the power of 1. Okay. Divided by this, I can write it as x to the power of 1 over 3. Okay. Then moving further, we have x to the power of n equals. Now, when you are multiplying numbers with exponents, what do? You add the exponents together. So this becomes x half plus 5 over 6 plus 1 divided by x 1 over 3. Okay. Now, this is the same thing as saying, now we are dividing exponents here now together. What do? We subtract. So this becomes x half plus 5 over 6 plus 1 minus 1 over 3. Okay. Now I could write this as x to the power of, if I want to write it in terms of 6, this is the same thing as saying 3 over 6, and make this big, plus 5 over 6 plus 6 over 6 minus 2 over 6. Now if you look at this, 3 over 6 is the same thing as a half. 5 over 6 already. 6 over 6 is 1. 1 over 3, 2 over 6, the same thing. All right, I just made everything in terms of 6 to make things easier. All right, so I just add. So this becomes x to the power of 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 minus 2 is 12. Divided by 6, this becomes, let me write this here, x squared. So x to the power of n is x squared. What does that mean? N is what? 2. And that's what you got. All right. If this video is of value to you, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Make sure you share with your friends too who might need knowledge of exponents to refresh their memory. All right. I'll see you in day 13. Thank you so much.